Welcome to Lay's Little Golden Books. I hope you kids enjoy today's story, and maybe the grown-ups will remember it from their own childhood. My Little Pony, Pinkie Pie Big Baking Bonanza by Tallulah May, a little golden book. Oh, Rarity, couldn't you give me just the teeniest, tiniest hint about who is in the baking competition? Begs Pinkie Pie. Pinkie, as a judge for the Best Baker's Big Baking Bonanza, I absolutely cannot give you any hints about the competition, says Rarity. But I can give you this. Dear Pinkie Pie, you have been officially selected to join this year's Best Baker's Big Baking Bonanza to be held in Ponyville. May the best baker win. Sincerely, the Best Baker's Big Baking Bonanza Selection Committee. The competition is this weekend, and Pinkie Pie will be competing against some of the greatest bakers in all of Equestria. Granny Smith, Gustave Legrand, and Sugar Belle will all be there. Pinkie Pie has to practice for the big day, so she pulls out her favorite recipe book. I'd be lost without you, she coos. Muffins, macarons, macaroons, meat pies, mousse, and mud pie. I will master them all. A hint of mint. More sugar, more sugar. Every pony loves frosting. The day of the competition finally arrives, and Pinkie is so excited. Her friends are there, plus ponies from all over Equestria. She's brought everything she needs, from mixing bowls to measuring cups, and most importantly, she has her... Oh no! She's left her recipe book at home, and the competition is about to start. Thinking quickly, Pinkie decides to send Gummy to get her special book. Meanwhile, Mayor Mare introduces the judges, Mr. and Mrs. Cake, Rarity, and Princess Celestia. Bakers, there will be 3 rounds, Mayor Mare explains, and each dish will be judged by a panel of experts on taste, presentation, and creativity. The twist: you must also use a secret ingredient in each round. For the first round, the secret ingredient is apples. The competition is fierce. Granny Smith is already way ahead, baking an appetizing apple-shaped apple crumble with apple ice cream to go on top. Pinkie Pie starts on a regular old apple pie while she waits for Gummy to get back. But instead of bringing the recipe book, he shows up with a hat? No, Gummy, I need my recipe book, Pinkie says. Although, to be fair to Gummy, the hat and the recipe book are the same color. Gummy wanders off to try again. Pinkie is disappointed, but the hat gives her an idea. Rarity loves big, beautiful hats. Maybe if Pinkie designs the top of her pie to look like a glamorous hat, she'll have a chance. Granny Smith wins first prize, but Pinkie Pie's Rarity-inspired rare red delicious apple pie accessory earns her enough points in creativity to get to the next round. This time the secret ingredient is marshmallows. Sugar Belle's s'mores pie is looking more marvelous by the minute, while Granny Smith is having some trouble with her Rocky Road cookies. If Gummy makes it back with the recipe book, maybe Pinkie will be able to win this round. However, Gummy has brought back Rainbow Dash's flight goggles. To be fair to Gummy, the goggles look a little bit like... Nope, the goggles don't really look like Pinkie Pie's recipe book at all. Sorry, Gummy. But the goggles give Pinkie another great idea. Rainbow Dash flies around in the clouds all the time, and marshmallows look like clouds. So, behold, Pinkie's flying fluffernutter filly is the star of the show, and she makes it to the next round. Only Pinkie Pie and Sugar Belle are left. When the final secret ingredient is revealed, Pinkie is very excited. Gummy bears! She knows just what to do. Thanks, Gummy, Pinkie says when Gummy finally returns with the real, actual cookbook. But I've come up with my own recipe this time. "How did you think up such an inspired delicacy?" Rarity asks. "Oh, I just had a little help from a friend," Pinkie says with a wink. The end.